Hi everyone, Nancy here. Today I'm going to clean up and organize my painting storage. Let me show you how this looks like. This one is I store my big painting. I have this really huge painting and there are smaller ones, some in the back and some little there. Yeah, so messy, so I need to store all of them. And actually this one I store my smaller painting. That's something I need to clean up. I thought I already finished a lot of them, which is no, still have many more to go. You see how much I put in now? It's a lot. Still have more. I am just putting all my paintings out from this big area. Only have the giant one and one mirror. I feel terrible. I'm sweating really bad. It's summer in Florida. Why I'm doing this right now? And there are tons of mosquitoes. The worst thing is the mosquitoes are terrible. I'm ready to get like 2 mosquito bites. Even though I put on the candle thing, I'm not sure it's working. I put on off, they still bite me and I'm sweating really bad. And then the worst thing is when I look at this mess, oh my goodness, there's so many paintings here. I don't even know what to do right now. Oh, and I'm sweating really bad. So yesterday I was originally planning to just reorganize my storage. I realized my painting storage, they missing the divider. That's why my paintings are like all over the place. So today my husband is helping me to make those dividers. Basically we are building a new painting storage. We got those wood, and later we are going to use those board. Now we're going to cut the wood. Okay, so now it's finally done. It look like this. My husband adds this 2 highlight bar there to support some smaller work. So now you can see on this side I can put my big pieces, this 2, and this 2 they have the upper and the lower. So can put like middle size. I am so happy with the result. Now it's time for me to organize those works. And yeah, there are lots to work on. Some of the work, I think I gotta redo it. For example, like this one, this landscape one is pretty bad. I did this one when I was in a like live landscape class. I wasn't really paying attention. I was just chatting with my classmate. I don't really want to do it at that time. So that's how it turns out.